If you've lost everything, this video is for you. Maybe your business failed. Maybe you lost your job. Maybe you trusted the wrong person. Or maybe you're staring at your bank account right now, and all you see is zero. Before we go any further, I need you to hear this. Your bank account is empty. That doesn't mean your future is. I'm not going to tell you to stay positive. Positive thinking has never paid a bill. And I'm definitely not going to promise you'll become rich overnight. Instead, I'm going to walk you through 10 decisions. Because when everything is gone, the next decision you make matters. The first thing you need to do is stop trying to get your old life back. This is where most people get stuck. They spend months, sometimes years, trying to rebuild the life they lost, instead of building the life they need now. Here's the truth. The person who lost everything cannot always be the same person who rebuilds everything. Your old habits built your old life. Your new life will be built by new decisions. Now here's the mistake people make next. They panic. Because your first enemy isn't poverty. It's panic. Panic makes people borrow from the wrong people, accept the wrong jobs, sell valuable things too cheaply, and mistake desperation for opportunity. When your mind is racing, every shortcut looks like the answer. Most of the time, it isn't. Slow down. Think clearly. Because calm isn't weakness. It's a financial advantage. Somewhere along the way, the world convinced us that looking successful comes before becoming successful. It's one of the most expensive lies ever sold. People spend money they don't have, buying things they don't need, to impress people they barely know, for a feeling that fades within days. Then, the bill arrives. Most people think rebuilding begins when they earn more. It doesn't. It begins the day you stop buying the appearance of success and start building the foundation for it. Because here's something I hope you never forget. Wealth grows in silence. The appearance of wealth demands an audience. Now here's another mistake. People wait. They wait until Monday, until next month, until they feel ready. But when you've lost everything, motivation is usually the first thing to disappear. That's why people who rebuild move anyway. One phone call, one application, one new skill, one small step. Action creates momentum. Momentum creates confidence. And confidence makes the next step easier. Now let's talk about money. Because when it finally starts coming in again, you'll want to reward yourself. And honestly, after everything you've been through, you'll feel like you've earned it. A new apartment can wait. A new car can wait. Better clothes can wait. The latest phone can wait. A more expensive lifestyle can wait. But your future can't. Most people upgrade their lifestyle first. People who rebuild upgrade their foundation. An emergency fund. Less debt. More breathing room. Because comfort feels good today. Stability protects tomorrow now. Here's a question I want you to ask yourself. Not, how do I make more money? Ask yourself, how do I become someone people are happy to pay? There's a difference. The world doesn't reward people for needing money. It rewards people who solve problems, who create value, who make someone else's life easier. That's how money moves. They can take your job. They can take your business. They can even take your savings. But they can't take your skills. They can't take what you've learned. And they can't take the discipline you build from this moment forward. Your paycheck was never your greatest asset. You are. Now let me tell you something most people never realize. Every dollar you earn already has people waiting for it. Advertisers, brands, subscriptions, sales. Every one of them is fighting for the money you worked so hard to earn. If you don't tell your money where to go, someone else already has. Before you spend a single dollar, pause and ask yourself one question. Will this make my future stronger, or will it only make today feel better? That one question can change your financial life. Now here's another shift. Stop chasing things. Start owning things. A better car won't build your future. A designer outfit won't create freedom. A luxury watch won't pay your bills. Own something that earns. A skill, an investment, a business, something that keeps working, even when you're not. Because the goal isn't to look wealthy. The goal is to become difficult to break. And here's the mistake that quietly keeps people stuck. They think in paychecks, not years. They ask, what can I afford today? Instead of asking, what kind of life am I building 5 years from now? Every financial decision is a vote for the future you'll eventually live. The only question is, what future are you voting for? Choose carefully, because today's small decisions become tomorrow's reality. And finally, don't waste this season. I know it hurts. I know it feels unfair. And I know there are mornings when it feels like you're starting from a place nobody else can see. But don't waste it, because one day, you'll look back at this moment, and you'll realize this wasn't the end of your story. It was the day your story changed. Losing everything doesn't have to define you. Refusing to rebuild does. The people who come back stronger aren't always the smartest. They aren't always the most talented. And they definitely aren't always the luckiest. They simply make better decisions, one after another, day after day, until those decisions become habits. And those habits become a different life. So don't measure your progress by what's in your bank account this week. Measure it by the person you're becoming. Because before your money grows, your mindset has to. Before your income changes, your habits have to. And before your future looks different, your decisions have to. Never forget this. Your bank account doesn't create your decisions. Your decisions create your bank account. One decision leads to another. One disciplined day turns into a disciplined month. One disciplined month turns into a different life. So if you're sitting there today with nothing but hope, don't underestimate that. Because every successful person you've ever admired started with one thing, a decision to begin. And maybe, just maybe, that decision starts today. If this video gave you a new way to think about money, then subscribe. Because every day, we'll uncover the financial principles that quietly separate people who stay stuck from the people who rebuild stronger than ever.